Hello, this is Loose Shirt, and today I've got a Goal Z Japanese black belt lock. This one's pinned for black belt. Borrowed it from, or trucker loaned it to me, trucking lock. Already picked it. While I got it apart, let me explain a little bit about it. It's, okay, so I'll talk about this more during the pick when I got it, but just briefly. The plug has both counter milling and over milling. This is the over milling part, and then down underneath you can probably hear it. Each chamber has that. And the gens that are drivers hook into those really effectively. So it's a pretty cool lock. The keyway's fairly open. Nothing really special about the bobble or anything. It does have some ball bearings. I'll mention that again during the other part of the pick. But the ball bearing part is just to keep the plug centered like this. And I reviewed Lockpicking Fisherman's video on this, and I learned some things about that. Didn't have to float pick this thing, but I think his idea was that those ball bearings help to control the core enough that you don't have to float pick it because it's always trying to go back to center, and that very well may be true. Anyway, let me get it in the vise, and we'll pick it and go over it a little bit more. All right, see you in a minute. Loose Shirt back with you, and got the Goal Z in the vise. Go back to pin 6. I got a click, another click. That's the only standard in here. 5. I'm sorry, 7. Raised up a little bit, but I'm gonna leave that alone. 5. Nothing. 4. 4 is binding. Let off tension just a little bit. Got a good click out of that. Go check 6 again. And 7. Come back to the beginning. 1 is binding. Got a click. 3 is floppy. 3 is floppy. 4. Not messing with that anymore. 5. Not ready. 6, a little click. 7. Good click. Raised up a bit. 5. Good click. It's springy. 6. Set. 7. Springy. 3. Click. good, raised up pretty good. Springy, 4, springy, 2, all 2 is gonna set. Came up pretty good. And springy, 1, springy, 2, springy, 3, springy, 4, springy, 5, I don't know, 6, 7. Seven is springy. 6 is set. 5. Okay. Got some more clicks out of 5. And it's springy. Four, feels springy. 3, feels springy. 2, click, springy. 1, I'll leave 1 alone. 2, feels springy. 3, springy. 4, springy. 5. Now it's springy. 6, leave it alone. 7. Well, it feels springy, but go back to the beginning. 1, I think it's set. 2, feels set. 3, springy. 4, springy. 5, I'll keep dropping that one. Springy. 6, springy. 7, springy. Okay, which one of you is it? Okay, there it is. That was 4 finally. And just got to keep messing with it until you get it there. It's a difficult lock. Let's take it apart now. Try to come down a little bit. Okay. Thinking. Don't think too hard. I'll lock it up. I don't have a key for it. It's pinned for black belt and the key is for a red belt. This part is going to be tedious because I have a lot of trouble with gold springs for some reason. Oh, duh, there's only 7 slots. Tell you what. I'm going to get the springs out of here, and then we're going to take the pins out. I know this is tedious to watch. Okay, so there's the first one. You can see that nice gin. Well, it's the 7th one, but you get the point. And there's the torpedo key pin. Oh, yep, key pin. So much better to get those springs out of the way. Okay, the 6th one has a standard in it, and all of these drivers have a hole for the spring to fit in, which is pretty cool. Another torpedo. Really long. gin spool. Smaller torpedo key pin. Nice gin. Got them backwards. There we go. Works better that way. All right. Now we can take tailpiece off. There's going to be 2 ball bearing indents, detents on the plug. I'll just use a follower to make it easier to control it. Okay, so there's the first one. These are for key, not key control, but there's the second one. Key centering. Just keeps it centered in the bobble, or in the housing. Should show you this. All right, so these all 7 chambers have undermilling or countermilling and overmilling, and there's that nice lip right there for the gins to hold on to. I don't know if I can. Wonder if I can do this. I tell you what, let me pick one that has a little more to grab onto. Yeah. Well, I'm not having much luck there, but I assure you there is. Well, now there's a gin in the floor. Oh, bear with me. There it is. Anyway, very effective. And once again, I'd like to thank Truck and Lot for letting me borrow both his Goal S and Z. I learned a lot from this, both of them, and it was a fun pick. And thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.